Good day, everybody. This is Nelca Roco again, and I have one lovely project here. And this is facade lighting for this building. And the client sent me a Revit file. So how are we going to do the facade lighting with a Revit file? So there are two ways. Of course, you can, by the way, sorry. If you don't have a Revit software, go and check the autodesk.com and get the trial for the Revit for 30 days. And you can use it at your own risk. Okay. Okay, so yeah, let's go back. Yeah, so the client sent me this Revit file, and there are ways to use it in your lighting design. Of course, you can export the IFC file, and also you can export the CAD file or DWG file with the 3D views. And by the way, before you export everything, you can either clean it up or not, because I think this is not that much heavy. So, but if you want to clean it up, just click on the building and press delete. That's it. And if you want to keep it that way, you can also do and export everything. So how to export it is very easy. Oh, by the way, if it's too heavy or if it's too big, the area is too big and there are so many details, like these buildings are very detailed, you can remove it. But since this building looks like it's not that detailed, so I will keep it because the clients wants to see the building, how it stands out during the nighttime. So I want to show the other buildings as well as once I lit it up. And I also light up this street lights so the client will see and appreciate the whole site development once this building is done with the facade lighting. Okay, so how to export it is just go to the file and then export and then CAD formats and DWG. And then you can now save it to your desktop or folder where you save your files. And then there's another one, which is the IFC file, which Dialux Evo with the Pro can be used once, once you purchase the Pro, you can use the IFC file. But if you don't have the Pro version, you cannot use the IFC file. So once you export it, IFC, just go and browse where you want to save it. Now I save it here. I save it with no buildings and the one with the buildings. That's why I saved two IFC file. Okay, just save it like that. And then of course, you don't need to edit anything here. Just browse the folder and export. And if you're going to export the CAD file, just select the DWG format and then don't touch anything. Just save it. Next, 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 and then you're done. Okay? Yeah, like that. Okay, so yeah, let's see how I will light it up later. Okay, so I'll see you again on the next video.